Do you know that English has over 200 irregular verbs and most learners get them wrong? Therefore, today I'll show you an easy pattern that makes them very simple for you. You will be tested by yourself and see how far you can go. By the end of this video, you will find yourself have learned some of them without any effort. So stay tuned and let's get it started. Hello and welcome back to EngVibes. Today's lesson is about some, not all of them, some English irregular verbs. Get ready and let's get it started. The task is very simple and easy. Just connect the infinitive with the past form of that verb. On the left side we have be, do, eat, meet, say, and sit. On the right side we have sat, was or were, met, said, did, and ate. These verbs are selected based on the use. They are widely used, they are popular and used almost every day, every single day. So, as usual, if you don't know be, start with do. If you don't know do, start with eat. If you don't know eat, start with meet, and etc. If you're a true beginner. If you are a beginner and you know them, just go one by one. Okay? So let's get it started. The first one is be. Be in the past is was or were. Was for the singular I plus the singular he, she, it, and were for the plural you, we, they. So here we have the past simple. Do in the past is well done, did. Eat in the past, just change the letters. E becomes the last, A becomes the first, and T in the middle. 8, like the number 8. Meet, met, how to remember, just remove one E. The infinitive with double E, the past is 1. Say becomes said, and sit becomes sat. Very good. So these are be, was or were, do, did, eat, ate, meet, met, say, said, sit, sat. These are called, they have many names. You can call them the infinitive. This is the first one. They are called base form, as they are called stem or root. Okay, verb 1 and past simple is verb 2. There's verb 3, which is the past participle. We will have it another time. Next list. We have teach, think, drive, draw, go, and run. The pasts are thought, went, drew, ran, taught, and drove. Notice thought starts with the THO and taught TA. Teach in the past is very good, taught. Think, thought, excellent. Drive, drove. The trick is easy. Draw, A becomes E, drew. Go in the past is well done, it's went. And the last one, run becomes ran. U becomes A, and in drive, the I becomes O. Next, we have send, sell, have, hear, get, and give. The pasts are got, had, gave, sold, sent, and heard. Let's start. Send in the past is sent. Excellent. The D becomes T. Send, sent. Sell in the past is good job, sold. Have, had. Hear, 4 letters. Heard, 5 letters. Just add D at the end. Pronunciation changes to heard. Get, got, same thing. Change the middle letter. And give becomes gave. The I becomes A. Send, sent. Sell, sold. Have, had. Hear, heard. Get, got. And give, gave. Well done over there. Left one. The verbs are write, wear, stand, understand, tell, and take. The pasts are told, wrote, understood, took, wore, and stood. Write in the past becomes, well done, wrote. The I turns to be O. Wear becomes wore. Good job. Stand, stood. Understand, understood. Tell, it's the first one up there, told. Good job. And the last one, take, becomes took. Write, wrote, wear, wore, stand, stood, understand, understood, tell, told, and take becomes took. Excellent job. Tell me in the comment section which one was new to you or which one was quite confusing for you. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, kindly share it with your friends, comment, and subscribe if you're new. If you have any questions or concern, leave them in the comment section below and we will get back to you very soon. Thanks again for watching. Keep learning, keep vibing with EngVibes. Take good care of yourselves. See you the next time. Bye-bye.